So the door is not straight anymore after I welded the panels on, and I'm gonna try to heat the other side of the tube that I think is warped and try to correct that. And if this cools down under tension, it should fit this thing well. Sometimes you just gotta try some stuff that sort of makes sense. It felt great for a brief moment. I hope it won't cool and warp again, so I put a little bit more tension on it. Nicely snug against the... So I might even get away. What the hell? And we're back from the commercial break. So I think we should do the latch system, or the I need a handle inside the door, and I need a handle to open the door, both outside and in. So I think I have some leftover tube from the UTV project. Old BMW gas springs, and made a little bracket. It works. Leaves plenty of space to get in. And I have a handle. Closes nicely. I have a quite even gap all around the door, so I can glue the seal on. But now I have to make the handles. Okay, I digged around the garage. I didn't find anything better than these two. So I thought I could put the smaller one inside and the larger one outside, and also this one will be stronger and serving as a handle also. I need to make some pivot systems. Bottom part will pull on the wire and releasing the latch. So I need to make a longer bushing on a lathe. Pivot's good. Let it be. I just messed around with the wire and the inner one is basically working. For the outer handle I found this in my bin of things, and I can attach it with screws on here, and then it will stay like this, and you can open it by pulling on the make this opening a little better. Gonna widen it in the middle. Almost first and last two threads. I found two nice hex head. Now we are inside. But we're gonna have to make the pulling motion into pushing motion. A pivot somewhere. Here you can see the working principle. I'm gonna have a pivot, and I'm gonna have the pivot somewhere around here, and then this side will come this way and push this open. And I'm trying to do a pivot from this sleeve and a 8mm bolt. This is so cool. I'm gonna bend this and bend it down and then open it like this. Okay, let's try this. This is so funny. A little bit too much. Oh, forgot one side. Don't have the spring right now,